My name is Cameron Clark. I work at Theresa Spinks as the operation manager. Theresa Spinks have been in operation for over 40 years and we're based in the heart of the northeast. We produce a wide variety of stair parts and staircase components, and we also make bespoke water staircases. So Theresa Spinks was originally set up by Bill Spinks, the director of the company. Theresa Spinks being his late wife. At that time they used to use the old lathes that we still got for making four-poster beds. Bill used to do the turn-ins, Theresa used to do the covers and the drapes and things like that. Unfortunately, after she passed, we then moved into staircase manufacturing, and we used those same machines to create mule post spindles and high quality bespoke products. Customers would come to us with a design that they wanted and we'd be able to replicate it or bring it to life. Later down the line, we went through a lovely period of expansion and growth. That's when I joined the company, and ever since then we've been expanding and growing ever since. The main reason why we're able to retain that growth is because of the quality and care that we put into our products. We want to make sure that customers are right and customers are happy. We deal direct to customers. We do very little business to business, but that's because we want to take responsibility for what we make, and we want to make sure that it is right for the customer and the customer's vision. Previously, before we bought our wide belt sander, we used hand sanding operations. This was quite laborious, very physical work. We decided to replace it for the efficiency gains that gives you, and the extra quality that you get from a machine. We use our SCM SD30 sander primarily for sanding up the staircase components before we then test fit them. We also use it on a variety of stair parts, so mule post spindles, things like that. We decided to go with SCM because they're a high quality manufacturer and they're quite affordable as well. Before deciding on SCM, we had a look at a variety of manufacturers, but ended up settling on SCM because of their quality and professionalism. The impact of the new wide belt sander has been transformational. It's been fantastic. The time saved versus the manual handling operations has been amazing, and the quality of the products that are coming out are much better. The operators have found it amazing to work with the new machine. It's been easy to use, easy to train up new people. The other machines that we have a variety of older type lathes. We also have some newer CNC lathes, CNC router machines, and we also have some brand new SCM equipment. We have a new SCM dimension saw, and we have a new SCM thickness planer as well, which we're both happy with. Having the right machine is critical to making sure that we manufacture everything to the highest quality that we possibly can. Working with Cal was great. We got the best support up front, came out, did a site visit, gave us the best possible advice for what type of machine that we needed. Once we placed the order, we were able to get a machine on loan, which was perfect for us to bridge the gap between the new machine coming in. And after the machine has come in, we've had great after support.